Welcome back. Now we are going to look at buyout. In the previous session, we did the highest bidder. So just like the highest bidder, you're going to have to go and create a site in Cheetah and make sure that you've got an email list ready to capture your leads. So let's go take a look at the pages you need to create. There's going to be 3 pages in a buyout. You've got your main product where your auction is going to take place. Then you've got an upsell page. I'm calling it an upsell, but it's basically a page where your auction is sitting plus the product that the people can buy. And then a thank you page. Thank you page is going to have 2 purposes. If they purchase the product for a regional price, they will be redirected to the thank you page. And if their highest bidder would also be redirected to the thank you page. So I'm going to look at these 3 quickly. The first one is exactly the same as the auction where we just created the highest bidder. So nothing changes on this page, but there is some change on the upsell page. So just look at the upsell page. Then on the left hand side or on the right hand side, we've got an image of the product with some benefits to it, a buy now button with some information, and then there's supposed to be a video here, but I removed it because it makes a noise and then I can't speak to you. So that section is right there. And then right here would come a duplicate of what we're going to have on the main page. Now this page do not need to look like this. You can remove this whole section right here and add a checkout here where people do not have the option to bid again, but to buy the product. Although they will receive an email to say that they've been outbid, but in this case I'm just going to add a HTML frame right here so that they can bid again. So that is the 2 options that you have right there. So let's just go to Super Checkout to go and create the product. We're going to upload the image again. I'm going to click OK, give it a name. Ask the address. It is a physical product and we're going to say cosmetic. We're going to use Stripe, US dollars. We are going to have an auction and it is going to be a buyout under the action rules. Very, very important. The initial price is $5. Let's make the increments now 1. And the buyout price would be $125, and make sure that you tick this allow free bidding. It is ongoing unless you stop it. So let's just do the expiry date. We'll keep it at this date and we'll go for 23.50. I'm going to go next. Then the buyout page right here, it says select a page to open every time a participant places a bid, and we want the upsell to open. We're going to go next. Next again. I'm choosing the central one because I like the look and feel. Remember, you can change the way it looks by editing it and changing the colors. Then we are going to select, it says select your thank you page or your upsell page. Now in this case, it's the thank you. Select the page where we will sell this product. We are selling it not on the main product page. Remember, that's where the auction is taking place. We want to sell it on the upsell page. We're going to click next. Choose your mailing boss account. I'm choosing an abandoned cart. Next. 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 And we'll go accept it and create the product. And now we're going to go grab the links and add the links. Now, like I said previously, there's 2 ways of doing this. You can grab the buyout link here and add it to the upsell page so that the people do not have the option to bid again. That is if you just want them to bid once and be sent straight to the checkout to buy their official product for the higher price. Or you can do what I'm going to do now is by giving them the option to bid again. So we're going to grab the checkout URL here at the top. We're going to go to the main page and we're going to add an iframe. we go. And I'm just going to make it straight right there. Right click, embed it, and apply. Okay, so let's just make it slightly bigger. Sizes. So just make it higher, and we've got all our information right there. Right, and we're going to hit save. And that's fine. And we're going to do exactly the same now for the next page. I'm going to go and add the iframe. And this is where I'm saying if you do not want to give them an option to bid again, you do not duplicate this, then you'll have to choose the buyout link and not the same link that you are adding right now. That is your choice on how you are going to do that. And if you want them to have the option to bid again. To me it's all about when they've made the first bid and they come to this page, they're going to see the value of the product right here. Then they can choose if they want to still go on or not. If they don't want to or don't want to wait until this is over, they can purchase the product for the higher price. So that is option 2. The other option is to remove this and remove this whole section right here. Make it like a sales type of page and add your checkout directly where they can check out and don't have the option. The only way that they would be able to bid again is if somebody else places a bid that's higher than theirs and they're going to receive it in the inbox and they would be able to go and bid again. So that's what we do here. We're going to click save. And that's fine. Okay, now we're going to go to test this out. Go to the website. I'm just going to close all these pages so we don't have it all open. And there's the auction. So we're going to scroll down, join the auction for free. I'm going to bid $6. Now it's going to redirect me to the upsell page. As you can see, I'm right here on the upsell page. Now it says there that I'm winning the auction at the moment. And now I am seeing what this product is worth. So I can now choose to go rather buy it for the additional amount, or I can log out and log in and place another bid. Or you're going to go and you are going to receive an email here if somebody else takes a bid. So let's go do that right now. We are going to log out so that I can log in as somebody else. And I am going to join it. Join the auction. Now I have to go get the confirmation code. So here is the confirmation code and we're going to copy it. Going to go back to our auction. Paste and confirm. And I'm going to place a bid. And you can see that's the next person taking the bid right now. So now let's go check what happens for the other person that is now just outbid her. Now remember, I'm all doing everything on the same page, so every person's page is not going to look like this. The person that just bid now is obviously going to be redirected to this page too. It's just I'm doing everything on the same page so that you can see what happens. There you can see you were outbid for this product. So let me go back to that page and I'm going to close it so that none is open. And we're going to access the auction page. And right here you can see you are winning this auction, Jackie. So now obviously this person is winning it. You're not been outbid. Now you have to go and wait. The other person is going to get one that says you've outbid it. and it's going to come to the page where they can place the bid again. So you can say you were outbid. And now the other person right here, just going to delete this. If nobody bids before the clock is over, then the person that bid last is going to get the email. And that is what we are going to wait for right now. But while we wait for it, I'm just going to go back to Cheetah, and I just want to show you something on this page. You've noted that we've got this URL button on the upsell page right here. Just close that. This you need to link, and the way you do that is you're going to go to Super Checkout, go to your products, click on the edit links, and there is a checkout URL right here. No, where is it? Where is it? Checkout URL. And you're going to take that URL, you're going to copy it, you're going to go back to this page, click on it, and there's a little link button, and you're going to paste the link in right there. And you're going to select and apply. So when they click on that, they're going to go directly to the checkout for that specific amount of $125. And that is how that works. So let's go see. The time is not yet there. I don't think so. Let me just leave this page. And I can show you quickly in our mailing boss list. You would now have your 2 people that has taken place confirmed. And that's a nice thing about auction funnels. You do not have to worry about double opt-in, because the fact that they are receiving a code that they need to type in serves as the confirmation in their email. So this is a really cool way of getting your email leads and not worrying about a double opt-in, and you know for a fact the people is going to confirm it. So let's go take a look if there's any emails from either of these. There you go. It says Market Eye Design. You want the auction for the product, pay now. So if you click pay now, it's going to go to the same page that you redirected that specific blue button to. And this is where they pay. And that is exactly how this funnel works. In the next training session, we are going to look at a reverse auction.